Hey everyone, this is John Strongman with Microsoft's Mighty South region. Today we're going to look at a deceptively simple automation that kicks off when an email arrives with a request for information from a company, and it's going to create a new lead in Dynamics 365 Sales and assign that new lead to a salesperson. So you can see it's simply 3 steps, and despite it being only 3 steps, this is a very powerful example for our customers because it shows the power of the one Microsoft platform and that everything you're seeing is drag and drop. All the security is right out of the box and connected via the Microsoft platform, and all the programs that I'm accessing, like Outlook or Dynamics 365, are part of the Microsoft platform as well. So to see this run, I simply click Test, and I'm going to say manually, and it's going to ask me to send an email. And once we see the spinner, we'll know this thing is ready to go. Okay, so the automation is ready. And let's just take a look at the email. So it's a very simple email. It just says, hey, I'm looking for financing for a new project. I worked with someone last year. I don't remember who it was. And it's just being sent to the system administrator and signed by John Strongman. So let's say send. And then we'll come back to the flow and see this run. Okay, so we got our green check marks. So we know that this is run. So now let's take a look at Spencer Lowe's desktop. And what we see is Spencer got an email from the automation that says, hey, you have a new lead to follow up. Now, again, this seems like a very simple thing, but it's actually really important when it comes to processing of leads, because one of the biggest complaints people hear about leads is that they get lost. Customers say, hey, I sent in information, I never heard back from anyone. This brings us to the top of Spencer's inbox. And not only that, but he can click right here to access to lead in Dynamics CRM. And that way the information doesn't get lost. It's centrally located in the CRM platform of the Dynamics 365 Sales. Spencer can access it and contact the customer, and every record of contact he has with the customer can be entered right here in the central location. And you'll see that the automation took the email as an input and then created this lead in the system with the topic of need expansion financing, the first name and last name, and the phone number and the email of the person who sent the request in. So the benefits to the customers is that this is a very simple automation to deploy using the power of the one Microsoft platform. And when an end user uses this, it ensures that leads don't get lost and that they're followed up on in a timely fashion. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.